I'm just back from the Guar bean fields on one of the 20 trucks carrying more than 250 tons to this plant every single day. You see, this is where they clean them, split them, and then pack them up. Come on in to see how it's done. So it's in this warehouse where all these trucks dock to unload the massive amount of guar beans. And this is where the magic of production begins. Take a look at this. And this right here is where the beans are roasted in order to break them apart. The beans are then milled and sifted, and that is in order to separate the splits from the protein. And all of this has been done in an FDA-mandated food safety certified facility. What this means is that we have the safest and highest quality splits for the production of Sunfiber.